If you're tired of spam filling up your inbox or worried about your privacy, you might want to check out SimpleLogin. This email alias service promises to keep your real email safe while allowing you to manage communications more effectively. But does it really deliver? SimpleLogin allows you to create unique email aliases that forward messages to your actual inbox. This way you can sign up for newsletters, online services, or even engage in transactions without exposing your primary email. The user experience is quite straightforward. You can generate aliases with just a few clicks, which is a big plus for those who aren't tech savvy. One standout feature is the ability to customize aliases, allowing you to create specific ones for different services. Plus, it offers various integrations with popular platforms, enhancing its usability. However, it's important to note that while the interface is user-friendly, some features feel a bit basic and there's limited customization for advanced users. The intended audience seems to be anyone from casual internet users to privacy-conscious individuals, but the lack of detailed documentation might leave some users wanting more clarity on how to maximize its potential. On the plus side, SimpleLogin excels in protecting your privacy and reducing spam, making it a solid choice for anyone looking to enhance their online security. The ease of creating aliases is a significant strength, especially for those new to email management. However, there are some drawbacks. For instance, the free tier has limited features, which might not be sufficient for heavy users. Additionally, some users have expressed concerns about the reliability of email forwarding, with occasional delays reported. Trust-wise, while the service appears to be secure, the lack of transparency regarding data retention policies could raise eyebrows. Overall, while it's great for casual users or those trying to minimize spam, power users may find it lacking in advanced capabilities. In conclusion, SimpleLogin is a practical solution for anyone seeking to manage their online identity and minimize unwanted emails. If you value privacy and simplicity, it's worth trying out. However, if you need more advanced features or extensive customization, you might want to explore other alternatives. Overall, it feels like a trustworthy option, albeit with some limitations.